A very good morning to everyone. It's me Savitri Kanak from class 9. Today I'm here to show you how to make a beautiful lamp for your bedroom using the craft work. So let me show you how to do it. It's a very easy job and it looks good in your house. So here first materials required here are a brush, a color tubes and color pencils, fevicol and lace and pencil, compass, stapler, pins and markers, sketches and paper cups. Paper cups are available in market easily, and then a cardboard and a lace. These are our materials required. So let us see how to do. Now the first step is to take a cardboard. Let us prepare a stand for the lamp. So first take the compass and mark a point and draw a big circle. See, already we have got a circle in the light color. So now let us cut it. See friends, as I told before, I have cutted down the circle from the cardboard. It has come very nicely, you can see. So we need to paint this. For painting this, I have used the purple color. See, first of all, I have done a model because to dry it takes the time. So I have did it and kept it before only. Take the dark colors which look good for the cardboard sand. So I have painted like this. So you should prepare like this. See friends, now the cardboard is ready. So let us start the next step. Next step, we should take the paper cups. See here, I have taken some paper cups which are good in size. See, I have taken these many paper cups. So let us choose the paper cups which are good and flexible. So I have taken these designs of paper cups, you can see here. So I will use these paper cups now. So I have taken the paper cups. So let us attach. First take a middle paper cup. I am taking this paper cup as the middle cup. So to attach this you should take like this and staple it. See, like this you should staple. These both are stapled now. Like this you should do a circle. Take a circle. See, now it has come like this. Stop. See friends, I have done as I shown. You should staple one by one and keep the round odd one middle and all beside. See, I have taken the same size and same color and same design smileys paper cups and printed. See, it will look like this. It's looking good. It is the top of the lamp. So let us prepare bottom of the top. Friends, now our lamp top is ready. Let us prepare the bottom. See, I have taken the stand. It is already dry. So I have taken here any cups which are suitable. You can take. Apply the gum. So apply the gum to its base. And stamp it here. So then next apply the gum to another. Then stamp it like this. Then apply the gum to other. Then stamp it like this. Then apply the gum to other. Stamp it like this. See friends, now our lamp stand is ready. By joining one another cup's mouth and the bottom I have joined with the glue. So this much I think it's enough. I have used here cups. So this top of the lamp we should attach here. Before attaching here, if you want to keep the bulb you can keep, but electricity is danger. So I am painting here so it looks good. So I will paint with the orange color. So take the orange color and the brush and start painting on another. Paint with nicely dark colors because it looks good. Light colors also looks good, but they will not look attractive. See friends, I have painted full colors to all. Orange is looking good. See, you can see here. It's looking like the bulb is on middle. So here no need to paint because it will be inside, so it will be not able to see. So now we should attach this upside. So if you want to keep directly this much only, you can keep, it will fit because this bottom is small. So if you want to keep the glue, you can keep the glue also, so it will be looking good. See, as you see here, it's looking good. So something is missing, right? So let us attach the lace to here, it will look nice. See friends, our stand is ready now. If you want to paint this, you can paint also, but I will not paint because already smiley stickers are available on these cups. So base is ready. Now our top, I have to now our top I have told before only, you can stitch more cups and it will become big. So only these 5 cups were looking so small to this stand, so I have stitched many cups here with the stabilizer. However, I showed you can stitch like that, and painted the tops because to look that the bulb is on inside. So now you should keep the glue to the middle cup. See friends, now attach this to the top. Middle cup should be attached. See, let it take, it will take some time to stitch. Till that I told you, take the 2 lace. Here I have taken the 2 black color lace. I will attach this to the side of the cups. See friends, now our model is fully ready. You can see that our bed lamp is ready. You can use this bed lamp to your bed, and you can stitch the bulb also. See, it is looking nice. So it is how to ready. I have told of step by step everything. So our bed lamp is ready.